Okay, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into something that, well, every guy needs to be thinking about as they get older. Prostate health.
Hmm.
Seriously, this isn't something you just want to take lightly. And that brings us to Prosta Peak.
Right.
This supplement is stepping into the ring with some, let's say, pretty confident claims about supporting a healthy prostate. So, we had to take a closer look.
Absolutely. I mean, there are so many supplements out there. It's really vital to be an informed consumer.
Exactly.
So this deep dive is all about Prosta Peak, using the information they provide themselves. Our goal here is to kind of cut through the noise, understand what this product is actually offering,
Yeah, what's inside?
dissect its ingredient list, and explore the thinking behind it so you can decide if it, aligns with your own health goals.
Couldn't said it better.
Yeah.
So right off the bat, Prosta Peak calls itself a unique blend of 20-plus ingredients and nutrients.
Yeah.
20-plus.
That's a lot.
That's a serious number of components. They say it's specially designed to support a healthy prostate. And get this, they even claim it's the only product in the world with this exact recipe.
Okay, that's a strong claim.
It is. Now, that's a bold statement. Makes you wonder, right? But for us, for you listening, it's about looking past maybe the hype and seeing what's actually in the bottle.
Mm-hmm.
It sounds like they're aiming for a pretty comprehensive approach, which, let's be honest, would be a fantastic shortcut if you're looking to be proactive.
Well, that claim about being the only product with that specific combination, that's definitely a marketing strategy you see quite a bit.
Right.
While the exact mix and ratios might be unique, it's good to remember that many of these individual ingredients, they're found in other prostate health supplements too.
Good point.
What's more important, really, is understanding what each component is supposed to do or what they claim it does.
Couldn't agree more. Okay, so let's crack open this ingredient list. First up, we have a proprietary blend of 20-plus plants and nutrients. Now, you'll see that term proprietary blend pop up a few times. What that basically means, well, it means they list the ingredients, but not the exact amounts of each one.
Right. The specific quantities are kept under wraps. It's pretty common practice.
Yeah, it is. So within this big blend, we've got cat's claw. They say that might give your immune system a boost, could help with stiffness, maybe support healthy bones.
Interesting.
Then there's green tea, which, gets a lot of buzz, potentially good for the heart. They also say good for the prostate, and might even help with weight loss. Kind of a multitasker there.
It's important to keep in mind, though, these are the benefits as claimed in the Prosta Peak overview.
Right, as claimed.
Many of these ingredients have been studied, sure, but the actual impact you might experience depends on the specific amounts, the formulation, how they work together here.
Makes sense.
Like green tea, for example. It has compounds that, have shown promise for prostate health in some studies, but the concentration, the form used here, those are crucial factors.
Right, exactly. And the list keeps going in this first blend. We've got Pygeum. They suggest it might help ease fever-related symptoms, support a healthy urinary tract, promote a healthy inflammatory response.
Okay.
Then raspberry is in the mix, potentially improving heart health, aiding weight management, supporting healthy aging. Soursop has also listed potential benefits for digestion, inflammatory response, boosting immunity.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, a really common one for prostate health, Saw Palmetto. They claim it may help maintain a healthy urinary tract, support the prostate itself, and also support a healthy inflammatory response. It's quite the lineup.
It really is. And what's interesting is they seem to be aiming for a really comprehensive approach here.
Yeah, covering a lot of bases.
Exactly. By including such a wide variety of plant-based ingredients, they're potentially trying to address different aspects, inflammation, urinary health, maybe even the immune system, things that can connect to prostate function.
Makes sense.
But as you pointed out, it's essential to think about how effective each one might be and how they interact in this specific combination.
Okay, so that's the hefty blend. But wait, there's more. There's a second one, too. A proprietary blend of 4 plants and minerals.
Okay, a smaller one.
Yeah, much smaller. Now, some of these names ring a bell from the first list, but with slightly different potential benefits mentioned. We've got green tea extract, this time specifically noted for possibly supporting healthy liver function.
And using an extract often implies a more concentrated form.
Right, good point. Then raspberry makes another appearance, now listed for helping to maintain healthy digestion. Saw Palmetto is back too, this time focusing on supporting optimal urinary tract functioning.
Okay, so slightly different emphasis.
Yeah, and Pygeum is here again, potentially helping with prostate urinary discomfort. It's fascinating how the focus seems to shift a bit between these two blends, isn't it?
It could be intentional. This more targeted blend, as you said, maybe by including certain ingredients in both blends, perhaps in different forms or concentrations, they might be trying to maximize effects on specific systems.
Like a two-pronged attack.
Sort of. The
Yeah.
subtle variations in the claimed benefits really highlight how complex these plant compounds can be and how they might interact in the body.
Totally. Now, it's not just about what's inside. They also talk about how easy it is to actually use.
Practicality matters.
Definitely. They're calling it a natural formula that's easy to use. Plus, and I know this is a big one for many people, they highlight no stimulants and that it's non-habit forming.
Those are definitely things people look for, especially if they're considering adding something to their daily routine long term.
Yeah, no jitters, no worries about dependency.
And the natural formula claim fits with the plant-based ingredients we've been discussing. So those practical points address potential concerns.
All right, let's talk turkey. How do you actually get your hands on Prosta Peak? They've laid out 3 different options.
Okay, the purchasing structure.
Yeah. First, there's the starter pack.
Okay.
1 bottle, a 30-day supply. It's $69 a bottle. Plus shipping, you got to add that on.
Right. Standard single bottle price.
Then they have the most popular option, 90-day supply, 3 bottles. That drops the price to $59 each, and it comes with free shipping and 2 free bonuses.
Ah, the multi-buy incentive.
Exactly. And lastly, the best value is a 180-day supply that's 6 bottles down to $49 each. Also free shipping, same 2 free bonuses. It definitely looks like they're nudging you towards buying more at once.
Well, this tiered pricing, offering discounts for bulk buys plus the bonuses. That's a very common marketing tactic in this industry.
Sure is.
And while the value of the bigger packs might look good, it's always smart to think about whether you want that longer-term commitment before buying a lot, especially with a new supplement.
Good advice. And those bonuses are pretty interesting additions. If you go for the 3 or 6 bottle options, you snag bonus #1, revitalize your vitality, 21 days to support healthy erections.
Yeah.
It's a digital download. They say it's usually $69.95, but free with those orders. Apparently, he talks about past issues with remedies and using natural at-home approaches.
So, related men's health topics.
Yeah. And then there's bonus, #2 erectile mastery, unlocking your potential for intimacy and vitality. Another digital download, same usual price, free with the bigger orders. This one focuses on confidence, communication, enhancing intimacy.
Including those bonuses suggests they're thinking about the broader picture of men's sexual health, which, can often be linked with prostate health concerns as men age.
Makes sense. Digital downloads are easy to deliver too.
True.
Now, they also feature testimonials from what they call real Prosta Peak users. We've got James Wilson, 53 from Texas, saying, "I feel better already, my energy is great."
Okay.
Mark Edwards, 45 from Florida. "I was struggling to figure something out until I took this. Amazing." And Josh Simpson, 55 from Washington. "This is something I swear by daily. It's that good." Pretty glowing reviews.
They sound very promising, yes. But, and this is really critical, pay attention to the disclaimer right after them. These are not typical user results.
Ah, the fine print. Very important.
It is. Individual responses to supplements can vary a lot. Depends on your health, your lifestyle, genetics, tons of factors. So, while testimonials are interesting, view them as individual stories, not a guarantee of your results.
Absolutely. That disclaimer is key. Now, what about guarantees? Because that can offer some peace of mind, right?
Definitely.
Prosta Peak comes with a 100% satisfaction, 180-day money-back guarantee. That's 6 months, a pretty substantial window.
Wow, 180 days is quite generous.
Yeah, they say if you're not happy with the changes in your prostate health within those 180 days, just reach out for a full refund. That suggests some confidence in their product, doesn't it?
Offering a guarantee like that, especially for that length of time, can provide a sense of security. It suggests the company believes customers will see benefits if they stick with it. It's worth checking the specifics of how to claim that refund, though.
Good point. They also mentioned it's manufactured in the USA from the finest of foreign and domestic ingredients.
Okay, standard manufacturing info.
And they point to a frequently asked questions section, implying they address common queries. We don't see the questions here, but good to know it might exist.
Yeah, knowing the manufacturing location, ingredient sourcing, that matters to some people. Foreign and domestic ingredients is pretty typical, and an FAQ is helpful.
And importantly, they provide contact info for product support directly through them and order support via ClickBank, who they identify as the retailer.
That's crucial. Having clear contact points for different issues, product versus order, Makes things smoother for the customer.
Definitely. Now, this next part is really, really important. They have a whole section of disclaimers.
Always read the disclaimers.
Absolutely. They really emphasize this information is not a substitute for advice from a qualified medical professional. Talk to your doctor about lifestyle changes. Discuss it with them.
Yes. Essential advice.
And for any existing medical conditions, strongly advise to consult your own doctor. They clearly state their products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Standard, but critical FDA-required disclaimer for supplements.
Right. And if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have any medical condition, you must consult your doctor before using their products. That's all incredibly important.
Absolutely essential for responsible health information. Supplements aren't medicine. They don't replace professional medical advice or treatment. Always, always talk to your doctor first, especially with pre-existing conditions or meds.
They go on to say, the website content, the product itself. It's based on the author's opinion, provided as high and as available.
Okay, covering their bases legally.
Yeah. They recommend doing your own research, verifying info elsewhere, and always reviewing health stuff with your healthcare provider. They also make it clear ClickBank is just the retailer. Their role doesn't mean they endorse the product or claims.
Right, separating the platform from the product.
And finally, if you're ordering from outside the U.S., international shipping fees apply. So lots of really important points to keep in mind there.
Those additional points just underscore, again, the need for you, the consumer, to be proactive, informed, and not rely solely on the seller's info. Transparency about ClickBank's role is good too.
Okay, and one last thing here. They have a section titled Scientific References. It's basically a list of citations related to BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia, and lower urinary tract symptoms.
Ah, so background science.
Yeah, they say these references provide a scientific backdrop to the topic of prostate health. They don't dive into the studies in this overview, but it suggests there's a body of research in this general area.
Including references, even just the list adds a layer of credibility to the broader discussion around prostate health. It shows there's a scientific basis for understanding these issues. Of course, the specific effectiveness of this product, Prosta Peak, still depends on its unique formula.
Right. So to sort of bring it all together, we've taken a good hard look at Prosta Peak today. We've gone through its pretty impressive list of over 20 ingredients, the specific benefits they claim for each one, the different ways you can buy it, those bonuses they throw in, and those really, really crucial disclaimers.
Yeah.
It's presented as a natural, convenient way to potentially support prostate health, backed by that pretty generous 180-day money-back guarantee.
And this deep dive really highlights the importance of being a discerning consumer, doesn't it? Looking past the marketing, considering the ingredients, the formulation, the company's assurances, and, importantly, those disclaimers. You should have a much clearer picture now of what Prosta Peak is claiming to offer.
Exactly. So considering everything we've unpacked today, that extensive list of ingredients, the focus on prostate health as we age, the various angles they seem to be addressing, what further research or, questions might you have about the individual components and how they might actually work together in your own body? It's definitely something to keep mulling over as you navigate your own path to better health.